Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of...
Hi AJ, we are greeting you all the way from
Abu Dhabi.
We wanna greet you a
Happy
happy 18th
18th
birthday. As you transition into adulthood, we hope you accomplish all of your goals, continue to develop into amazing lady you are, and keep a positive outlook on life in all that you do. Even if you are no longer a little girl, you are still the little girl in your parents' eye. Again,
Happy 18th birthday, AJ. Stay well, stay healthy, and keep your drinking moderately. Peace out.
Happy 18th birthday, AJ! Greetings from Abu Dhabi!
AJ, may this next chapter bring you growth, joy, more adventures, and the encourage to chase every dream that you hold close. Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, AJ!
May your heart's desires come true.
We wish that you have happiness, fun, and exciting adventures ahead.
Cheers on your special day. Happy birthday!
Hi, AJ! Happy 18th birthday! Welcome to adulthood and all the amazing adventures ahead.
enjoy!
18th birthday, AJ. Congrats on being an adult. May your journey into adulthood be filled with joy and fulfillment. Stay true to your values and never stop chasing. Enjoy this special day and cherish all the memories. Again, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, AJ! Enjoy your special day to the fullest and may the future bring you success, love, and all the blessings you deserve. AJ, cheers to your 18th birthday. Have a blast. Bye!
Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.